we're going to look at here is just getting our fish to move. So I'm going to select my fish. I want to start him off the stage first, and I'm going to get him just to swim around in a square. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to use this tool here, which is the free transform tool, as it gives us a few options. Right, I'm going to go to frame 10. I'm going to insert a keyframe, and I'm going to move my fish. I'm just going to continue to do this. Just inserting a keyframe, moving our fish. So it gets the corner. I now want him to turn. So what I'm going to do is if I put my cursor over one of the corners, you'll see it turns to a different symbol. This allows me to rotate the fish. So I'm going to get him to swim up now. Again, I'm going to continue this, inserting keyframe, moving him. And again, I'm going to turn him. Insert keyframe. Oops. Move him. Right click. Insert keyframe. Move him. Just going to move along further along my timeline. Right click, insert keyframe, move him. Right click, insert keyframe. And it's pretty much back to the bottom. Now again where I started. Can just move them like that. You also might want to look at something like getting him to get smaller. So right click, insert keyframe. I'm going to move him. I'm going to just use my arrow to make him smaller. If I hold shift down, he keeps the same dimensions. Right click, insert keyframe. I'm going to move him. So he should look like he's swimming away from us when we actually run our animation. Okay, so if I just show what it looks like, obviously very jerky at the moment. So what we need to do here is we need to create motion tween. I'm going to use classic motion tween for this. So I'm going to highlight my whole time frame. I'm going to right click, create classic tween. So I'm going to use. I'm going to go back to the beginning of this. Control and enter to preview the movie. And just see how he swims around the screen. And at this point he looks like he's getting smaller and swimming away. Okay, so they're the basics of how to actually animate the fish.